Good morning, students. In the last video, we have learned about an adjective up to the forms of adjectives, that is positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So, in the last video, we have learned irregular degree forms as well as regular degree forms. Here also, one example is given for regular, that is small, smaller, smallest. Here, er is added to small, then it will become smaller, smallest. Smaller is the comparative, smallest is the superlative. So these are called er and est degree forms. Another forms also there, that is more and most. So whenever we add more for positive degree, that will become comparative form, more beautiful, most beautiful. Here beautiful is an adjective. So here we have added more for beautiful, that become more beautiful, and most beautiful superlative form. So like this, dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous, and difficult, more difficult, most difficult. So what is the difference between the two forms, that is regular and another one more and most? So whenever we find an adjective by containing single syllable, then we have to add er and est, and whenever we find an adjective more than two syllables, we have to add more and most. So that is the main difference. So here small, that is single syllable word, means here only one vowel sound is there in the small. So here est had added, so small, smaller, smallest. Then beautiful, here more than two syllables are there, that means more than two vowel sounds are there in the given adjective beautiful. So here we have to add more for comparative, most for superlative. That is the main difference between regular and more and most degree forms of an adjective. So now types of adjectives. What are the types of adjectives? Here mainly we have 6 types of adjective. One is qualitative adjectives, second is quantitative, third one is interrogative adjectives, fourth one demonstrative adjectives, fifth one indefinite adjectives, sixth one possessive adjectives. What about qualitative adjectives? Here example, good, bad, beautiful, these come under quality, that's why qualitative adjectives. If we ask a question what kind of, then we have to get quality of adjectives. What about quantity of adjectives, quantitative adjectives? Here 2, 3, whole, etc. By asking question how much and how many, then we have to get quantitative, that is number and quantity. Next, interrogative adjectives, what, which, whose, these are called interrogative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives, this, that, these, those are called demonstrative adjectives. Indefinite adjectives, here few, many, much, most, all, any, each, etc. These type of words come under indefinitive adjectives. And possessive adjectives, here my, our, your, his, her, their, these come under possessive adjectives. Actually these are called possessive pronouns. These possessive pronouns also plays another role, that is possessive adjectives. That means here my, our, your, his, her, their, after that we have to use noun forms. So here we have to learn another one, how to form the adjectives in a single sentence, means more than two adjectives if we use in a single sentence. What is the sequence? Here sequence of adjectives, that is a short formula is given, C1s. First before an adjective we have to use indefinite article. What are called indefinite articles? A, an, these two are called indefinite articles. These two are used according to the vowel sound or the consonant sound. Before vowel sound we have to use an, and before consonant sound we have to use a. So first indefinite article is used, then after the formula O SAS osas.com. osas.com means here you have to remember this shortcut formula. Usage of sequence of adjectives in a single sentence. Indefinite article osas.com. Here O stands for opinion, S stands for size, A stands for age, S again stands for shape. First S size, second S shape, and C stands for color, and again O stands for origin, and M stands for material. After this we have to use noun. Why? Because always we have to find an adjectives before noun or pronoun only. So this is the formula of sequence of an adjectives. You have to remember indefinite article osas.com. O stands for opinion, S stands for size, A stands for age, S stands for shape, C stands for color, O stands for origin, M stands for material. Here one example is given, see once. Ramya has a beautiful small new round blue Indian plastic doll. Here doll is the noun, and before doll we have to find out a different color words. Those are all describing words of doll. Here beautiful, small, new, round, blue, Indian, plastic. These are all describing words of doll. So before this we have used a. Why? Because here beautiful or the doll starts with the consonant sound. So a is the indefinite article. Beautiful, what's that? That is our opinion. Next small, size. New, that is age. Round, that is shape. Blue, that is color. Indian, that is origin. Next plastic is the material, and doll is the noun. This way we have to prepare sequence of adjectives in a given sentence. So for this video we have learnt a shortcut method of adjectives and adjective forms. So I hope all of you have understood well in manner. So learn adjectives this way. Thank you for watching this video.